Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to loop your Canva presentation. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so inside Canva there's no option to loop your presentation, but there is a workaround. So what we need to do is download the presentation to our device. So go ahead and click on the share button and then click onto the download button. Where it says file type, we need to change this from PDF to MP4 video, which is high quality video. Then from here, click on download, and now that's going to download it to your computer. Now, once you've downloaded it, go ahead and find that your downloaded presentation. Here it is here. And then to loop it, go ahead and open up with either VLC media player, or we've got open with media player. So if you don't have VLC, use media player. And now it should open into a new player. Now, as you can see, this is playing. Now to loop it, on the bottom here, we've got a loop button here. So you go ahead and click on that. So it says repeat all, and then we can repeat once or repeat all. So if you want to loop it, make sure it's like that, and that's going to loop your presentation.